So today we're going to take a look at how you can reverse a clip in Premiere Pro. It's pretty simple, so all we've done here is we've just got some videos on our timeline, and I've just duplicated this clip. These two clips, they're the same. You can easily do that just by pressing Option and dragging it, or you can just press like Control C, Command C, Control C, Command V, depending on what operating system you're on. But all we're going to do is we're going to play the first one normally. We're just going to make sure our volume is muted. As you can see, we're just putting this figure around in my hand, and then all we're going to do is we're going to reverse the second clip so it goes back around the other way. It will reverse the audio as well, so if it's like this video, it's got talking in it, so the audio will be reversed. So all we do is you right click on our clip that we want to reverse after we've clicked on it, scroll down to speed/duration. Once we're in speed/duration, we just want to tick this box here, reverse speed. We're just going to leave this as standard because we just want to, just completely reverse. We're going to click OK. And now, as we see, we play this clip, you're going to see that the thing spins around and then it goes back round the other way. So that is how you reverse a clip in Premiere Pro. It's pretty simple. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.